Do you know that there is no one-size-fits-all formula to make someone chase you? However, I can provide you with some tips and suggestions that could potentially help you get a woman's attention and make her interested in you. Here are some ideas. Number 1. Work on your confidence. Confidence is attractive, and it's essential if you want to make a woman chase you. Believe in yourself, know your worth, and show her that you are comfortable in your own skin. Number 2. Be mysterious. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Leave a little mystery and intrigue to keep her interested in learning more about you. Number 3. Be interesting. Have hobbies, passions, and interests that make you stand out from the crowd. This will give her more reasons to want to spend time with you. Number 4. Be a good listener. Women appreciate men who listen to them and show genuine interest in what they have to say. Listen actively, ask questions, and show that you care about what she is saying. Number 5. Make her laugh. Humor is an excellent way to break the ice and create a connection. Make her laugh, but be careful not to overdo it or be insensitive. Number 6. Use positive body language. Non-verbal communication is essential when it comes to attraction. Use open body language, maintain eye contact, and lean in when you're talking to her. Be respectful. Treat her with respect and kindness. Don't make her feel uncomfortable or pressured into anything she's not comfortable with. Number 8. Be spontaneous. Surprise her with unexpected gestures, like sending her flowers or planning a spontaneous date. It shows that you're thinking of her and adds an element of excitement to your relationship. 9. Don't be too available. Don't always be available for her. Make her work a little bit to see you and create a sense of scarcity. 10. Be confident but not arrogant. There's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. 11. Be passionate. Show her that you have a passion for something, whether it's your career, a hobby, or a cause. Passion is attractive and can be contagious. Number 12. Be a gentleman. Chivalry is not dead. Open doors, offer to pay for dates, and be polite. These small gestures can make a big difference. Number 13. Be patient. Building a connection takes time, and you can't rush it. Be patient and let things develop naturally. 14. Be honest. Don't play games or pretend to be someone you're not. Be honest and authentic, and she will appreciate you for who you are.